Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're talking about linear function and the slope. Okay, so we have some conditions on this table and we need to find the equation of the line. Okay, we're going to solve part by part. So I will put letters A, B, C, and D just to reference what are we solving. For the part A, we have a point and we have a slope. So we just need to use our formula that says y minus y1 equals 2m times x minus x1. Okay, and this is our point x1, y1. We will have y minus 8 equals 2 your slope, that is negative 3/2, times x minus negative 2, which makes positive 2. Now, give the equation, one of the parts of the question says give the equation in a slope-intercept form where possible. It's basically almost all the time possible. So we're gonna need to multiply. We're gonna have y minus 8 equals 2 negative 3/2 x, and negative 3/2 times the positive 2. The 2's will cancel out and this will be negative 3. Okay, and now we're going to add 8 on both sides. And we'll have y is equals to negative 3/2 x plus 5. That will be for our first question. Y equals negative 3/2 x plus 5. Okay, let's go for the next one. And letter B, it says the slope does not exist. If the slope does not exist, we know this is a vertical line. In a vertical line, it it has the shape as x equals to a constant. So what will be that constant is actually the component on x of any coordinate pair. So on this case, this will be x equals to 10. Okay, for letter C, we will repeat the process that we did on the part A. So let me place it here. For part C, we will do the same. Y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. Same thing again, this will be x1 and y1. We will have y minus negative 72, that will be plus 72, equals to the slope, which is 10, times x minus negative 8, so it will be plus 8. Okay, we'll have y plus 72, and we will distribute that 10. That will be 10x plus 80. Then let's subtract 72 on both sides of the equation. This will cancel out, and we'll have y equals 10x plus 80 minus 72, that should be just 8. So our equation will be y equals to 10x plus 8. Okay, and the last part, the part D, it says that the slope is 0. If the slope is 0, this is a horizontal line. Okay, if it's a horizontal line, this will have the shape y equals to k. Okay, that being said, look, I want to state the difference. When the slope does not exist, we have a vertical line and this x equals to k. When the slope is 0, we have a horizontal line and we have y equals to k. What will be that y? Will be the component of y of any coordinate pair. This will be y equals to 9. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you.